Sadly, I think our plum isn't going to be bearing as many fruits as compared to last year because of the rain and the strong winds that plowed Northern California in the last few months. So I don't see too many little fruits. Oh, barely. There's one right here. Barely see it. Man, I could count it in my fingers. The little fruits. My goodness. So sad. There's some here. And I hope the rain doesn't damage it anymore, or the wind, the rain, whatever. Poor thing. It's not a lot. And then this little brat, or big brat, jumping into my apricots. There. I mean, he would like just be walking by and jumping the fruits, the baby fruits, just to taunt me. Like he thinks it's funny. I still remember when I bought this tree at Costco and put this in the back of my car like a few years ago. And now it's bearing fruits already. Feels good. And I know apricot is kind of hard to like plant because it's very picky as far as soil where you plant it. Oh wow, see, I see the blue skies. Oh my God, I hope it continues. The apple tree has not blossomed yet. And there's the rascal, still stressed out about the squirrels. See, he's mad at the squirrels. That's why he's doing that, because he couldn't reach them up on that tree. And they're over there, up there.